Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from OKX wallet to your Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on OKX wallet, I'm just going to use the Web3 wallet, and from here you want to go ahead and find the Toncoin. So here it is. After that you want to go ahead and click send option. And here you will need to go ahead and enter the address. So the receiving address would be on your Telegram. Click on more assets and on Toncoin. After that, click receive, copy the address, and go back to OKX, paste your address, confirm it, and after that, enter the amount you want to go ahead and transfer of ton. And that's pretty much it. After that, you're going to click next and you're going to withdraw it and send it to your Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.